May entrata. Naku, naging slang na si May. Naku. Itong ano mo ha, Edward, influence mo kay May ha. Ikaw ha. Charot, pinagbibintangan si Edward Barber. Ito kasing si May mga kapatid, nagbasa ng spiel niya. Ngayon, imbes na sabihin niyang taong, ang sinabi kasi ni May taong. Kaya napansin ng tatlong squadmates niya. Kaya nasita si May. Ayun, na-realize niya na mali pala yung pagkabigkas niya. Naks! Naging slang si May. Halika, panoorin mo.
Ngayon, May
Buwan ng wika.
Oo nga, kasi buwan ng wika eh. Ayun na nga. Oo. Nananibago kasi ako eh. So,
Wow.
sorry guys.
I feel
Marami
attacked.
pa kayo.
Wag ngayon, May.
Ayan po. Yan po ang cute moment ni May kanina sa I Want ASAP. Ayan ang sabi ng thread. Ayun, basahin natin. Tumawa si I Am Luchi Misha. Ami Ams nakitweet, Gang L nakitweet, si Mary ang sabi, hahang saya nyo panoorin. Agosto naming Mayward. Yan po ang thread ng slang ni May. Naku, sabi ni Linda Blair, Convo May and Edwards, I feel attacked. Naku, balayo dyan. Sabi ni Mayward only, magandang umaga and a blessed Sunday sa lahat. It's Mayward's anniversary month. Catch them today on I Want ASAP. Kanina yan, 14 hours ago. Ayan, patuloy lang tayo. Diretso tayo sa ating pagsuporta kay May and Edward. May entrata on her IG Instagram post. Ayan. Tapos ang isa, sabi niya dito, happy birthday my beautiful baby Hope. I hope you never lose this beautiful smile of yours. More laro to come. Love you. At Aiton. Yan yata yung apelido ng bata. Ayun. Nangyari po yan kanina. Let's go. Let's do some update. Ang cutie ng magjowa. Ito sa fresh take to. Nako, cutie naman talaga kasi din. Nako, tignan mo naman ang kagandahang lalaki nitong si Edward. Ano dong? Drawing ka dong? Nako, ito naman si May. Cutie pie May. Look how cutie she is. Tapos dito, yan. That's how cutie May is this morning sa I Want ASAP Live. Sino bang gumawa ng compilations na ito? My Word Fangirling 28. Ayun, siyang gumawa nun. Ito naman, silang Loy. Para sealed with a kiss, gaso sealed with the moon. Lose. No, not with Donnie. But of course, should be with Edward. Yan yun. My is for Edward. Edward is for my. Tapos, Darnica, miss you my Trata and Edward Barber. Happy 5th anniversary. Wish ko ang pangmalakasang project for Mayward soon. Sa ngayon, stay safe and happy. Dito lang ako, pasupot-supot na parang kabuti. Pero kasali ako sa prayer warriors nyo. Love you. Yan, ang sabi ni Darnica. Ang sabi ni Mayward Annie, nilulook up ko na makita si Edward. Hindi ka lang na-miss ng mga tao, na-miss na din kita. My heart. Mayward's ox.
Ako,
Ano to, May?
makita si Edward.
Nakita Yun! Matagal na kayong hindi nagkita.
Oo, matagal na hindi yung nagkita. Mga 3 weeks yata, Edward, no? Edward, hindi ka lang na-miss ng mga tao, na-miss na nagkita. Technically, Edward. Hindi, joke lang kasi. Sobrang fresh ni Edward eh, nakakainis.
Kaya,
May-
yung fresh niya, nakakainis daw.
Tanggalin ko yung yung filter dito sa Zoom.
Parang nilolook up ko.
Oh, this was long time ago. Oh, naku talaga, maalala natin yung mga pag may mga playback tayo, maalala natin how sweet Maymay and Edward is to each other. Saan ko maibabalik ko lang. Sabi ni Mayward and Danny, sana marami pa tayong blessing at biyaya na tayong dalawa yung magkasama. Sabi ni Maymay.
Fresh ni Edward eh, na hindi ka lang na-miss ng mga tao na miss na technical Edward. Hindi, joke lang kasi sobrang fresh ni Edward eh, nakakainis.
Kaya,
Wow. Sabi ni sabi ni Edward, I always be praying for you. I always be praying for you. Isa ako sa mga prayer warriors na always there. Yun sabi niya.
I trust now.
That was long time ago.
For me, from my side, to I'll always be praying for you. Isa ako sa prayer warriors. Always there. I trust now. Of course, you're in Dubai. You're doing a lot of different things. Frozen ka rin ata. Naka-freeze. Freeze cam. Pero I know that you're truly in God's hands, and God's hand is over your life. So I pray that He just keeps on moving within you, growing your heart, and bringing you to greater heights. That you will fly. You'll truly fly on the wings of eagles. So, yun nga. Always here for you. Always got your back. At
Pa-throwback naman tong si Mayward Ani. Pero yung magkaroon tayo nito sa ating files, syempre, masaya tayo doon. Salamat sa pag-aalala sa maagang pagbati. See you, Mayward, on August 6. That's from my Yan. Salamat, Mayward Ani, for that flashback. Flashback po yan ng noon na nangyari. And pwedeng hindi na maalala ng iba yan. But then, here is Annie reminding us of what happened long time ago. Kung gaano ka-sweet itong si Maymay and Edward. Sabi ni Mayward, UAE. This was January 15, 2021. Oy, parang naging open na si Maymay ngayon. Magkalayo sila ni Edward. Na-miss na talaga niya, at yung sabi niya na sana sa mga project at sila pa rin ni Edward, sobrang nakakakilig. So this video was taken January 2021. Kasi ang mga thread niya, ang mga reply ay dated January pa po. Kaya way back then, sweet pa si na Maymay and Edward. And sana hanggang dulo na yan. Meron mga balakid, but walang imposible kung maniniwala tayo. Tiwala lang. Ganon lang yon. Alexander Lex Studios po nagpapalala sa inyo. Kung medyo na iba kayo ng landas at naguguluhan kayo at may doubt kayo, balik kayo sa throwback at maalala nyo yung feelings na maging masaya nung pinasaya kayo ni Maymay and Edward. Kaya yun lang muna ang ating update for now. Alexander Lex Jules, I will show you some of Maymay's cutie photos. So I want to asap kanina and just enjoy the photos, guys. See you on my next.
May iba't iba kasi tayong pagsubok na hinaharap. Hello, Ate Angel! Ako ito, si Maymay Entrata. Hello, kumusta ka dyan sa Hong Kong? Natanggap ko po ang mensahe niyo from Ina, sa best friend ko. At sobrang nagpapasalamat po ako sa suporta na binigay niyo sa akin. At syempre, of course, na kinagagalak ng aking puso talaga na ako isa sa mga naging inspirasyon niyo po sa pagharap ng pagsubok mo sa buhay mo. At kung alam niyo lang po kung paano niyo pinasayaan hindi ko ma-explain sa inyo kung gaano mo ko pinasaya. Paano mo pinasaya yung puso ko. May iba't iba kasi tayong pagsubok na hinaharap sa buhay natin ngayon. At sa inyo po, kung ako, natulungan ko po kayo para po, alam niyo yun, para maging inspirasyon sa buhay niyo. Diyos ko, ako, natulungan niyo po ako to remind po sa purpose ko ulit. At binigyan niyo po ako ng mas ng motivation to move forward po dito sa field na meron ako, dito sa mundong meron ako ngayon. At maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po. Dahil ikaw yung sagot ng prayers ko. Kasi nga, yun nga, may mga times talaga na nalolos tayo minsan. At through you, niremind mo ako ulit sa purpose na binigay ng Panginoon sa akin. At yun na, to inspire people. At isa sa mga great achievement talaga, isa ka sa mga, alam niyo, isa ka sa mga na-inspire dun sa faith ko kay God. At dahil doon, maraming salamat po. Naway patuloy po ang inyong pagsik kay Lord. Siyempre, pagpipray ko ang inyong recovery sa sakit niyo po. Sana magkita tayo sa nakain.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over facts,
Gusto
so
ko lang
attracts
mag-greet kasi since 50th anniversary na namin dito sa showbiz. Gusto lang namin magpapasalamat sa lahat ng mga support sa amin sa solid fans namin. Si Mike, kay Edward, Team Edward, sa Mayward family. Maraming salamat po. Grabe, since day one po nabigay yung journey natin. Thank you. Maraming salamat na talaga. Maraming support at pagmamahal na binigay niyo sa amin. Thank you. Happy 5th anniversary ulit.
Happy 5th anniversary. That will be on August 6 actually. It's the first day na nag-meet kami ni Maymay. Alam ko, we're babalik tayo sa ECQ on that day, but we can also make it a positive day. Yun ang nangyayari.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love.